Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to delete a Stake account. First, visit the Stake website or open the Stake app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the account or settings section. This is typically represented by a profile icon or your name in the app or website's navigation menu. Within the account or settings section, locate the option for account settings, profile settings, or similar. Click on it to view and manage your account preferences. In the account settings menu, search for an option related to deactivating or closing your account. This option may be labeled differently, such as close account, deactivate account, cancel account, or similar. Click on the deactivation or close account option to initiate the process. You may be asked to provide a reason for closing your account or to confirm your decision. Depending on Stake's policies, you may need to verify your identity or provide additional information to confirm the closure of your account. Follow any on-screen instructions for this verification process. After verifying your identity and providing any required information, confirm that you want to delete your Stake account. This action is usually irreversible, so ensure you are certain about closing your account. Once you confirm the deletion of your account, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed or deactivated. After closing your account, review any follow-up instructions or steps provided by Stake. This might include information about any remaining account balances, outstanding transactions, or other related matters. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.